24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano generally is drifting at $9.14,690.88 in an essentially significant manner. ADA down roughly 8% inside the, for the most part, most recent 24 hours in a significant manner. Cardano's MA10 generally shows a vertical pattern, which in every practical sense shows that ADA down roughly 8% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours in a by and large significant manner. Cardano basically shows negative force throughout the end of the week, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Zone 9 Walk 2024. In this, we will by and large walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these as often as possible, certainly sought clarification on some things facts. What certainly is by and large transient cost expectation for Cardano, essentially is ADA a wise venture, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Yet, prior to jumping profound into the ADA specialized examination, basically let us in every practical sense discuss the truly current economic situations in an especially significant manner. Market investigation over the by and large last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 184%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to 32,596 at 498, 391, 362, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Cardano support and obstruction levels and so forth, which explicitly is very critical. The fundamentally absolute exchanging volume for the most part remains at $149, 102, 264, 845, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33%, or so they basically thought, which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $68, 330.89 level after a vertical development of 134% in a fundamentally enormous manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum has seen a value reduction of 0.9% coming to $3.9 to 17.23 during the past 24 hours, so the extremely complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $149, 102, 264, 845. For the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $488.37, following a value change of 358% inside a similar time period, which by and large is very huge. Sol, the especially local coin of Solana, for the most part is up by Zone 49 and presently exchanging at $147.19. Showing what essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $68, 330.89 level after a vertical development of 134%, which truly is very huge. Furthermore, XRP came to 0.62 subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.68% in esteem, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in a descending course for in every practical sense present moment, or so they basically thought. As of now, a by and large broad fundamentally bad plunge being seen all through the crypto market, which truly shows that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market really is going in a sort of descending bearing for especially transient in an unpretentious manner. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way. Support sort of is a level at which purchases certainly become commonly something else. In every practical sense, dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they by and large thought. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which vendors by and large become moves certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Kind of additional appearance how Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in a kind of significant manner. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Cardano ADA. Cardano execution ADA basically has recorded a downtrend, losing 8% in fundamentally most recent 24 hours, which sort of shows that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value diminishing of 0.9% coming to $3.9 to 17.93 during the past 24 hours, so the complete exchanging volume generally remains at $149, 102, 264, 845, which sort of is genuinely huge. The genuinely current worth of Cardano sort of is drifting at 0.73 with the exchanging volume of $9.14, 619.88 US in the equivalent time span, So right now, a genuinely broad kind of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which in a real sense shows that these occasions certainly demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in an essentially descending bearing for in every way that really matters, present moment, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The in every way that really matters, generally. Market cap for ADA most certainly is totally 25,888, 530, 724 US, while the coin cost changes 0.41% over the course of the week, or so they explicitly thought. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for Zo9 Walk 2024 inside an especially day-to-day time period in every practical sense made sense of underneath, showing that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value diminishing of 29% coming to $3.793 during the past 24 hours, so the kind of all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $149, 102, 264, 845, or so they in a real sense thought. We use in every practical sense relative strength indexes, moving pretty normal combination and difference MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including in every way that really matters, straightforward moving extremely normal SMA and remarkable moving commonly normal amount to explicitly examine the future development of the Cardano, so the genuinely current worth of Cardano especially is drifting at $0.73 with the exchanging volume of $9.14, 619.88 US in the equivalent time span. So right now, a truly broad sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which truly shows that these occasions essentially demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in an especially descending bearing for in every practical sense at present moment, which generally is very critical. The ADOST moving genuinely normal. Combination and uniqueness MACD pointer fundamentally is showing a present moment generally sell especially signal, as the MACD line certainly is moving beneath sort of sign line, which certainly implies in every practical sense, bears basically are ruling on the lookout, which sort of is genuinely huge. While ADA's Williams % R marker certainly is at 72,644 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange genuinely signal generally is really conceivable at this reach, which explicitly is very critical. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and explicitly is attempting to sort of break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength, which basically is very huge. Ends there for the most part have been a quite regrettable pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will explicitly go on as sort of lengthy as it basically stays in the rosy region, showing how Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Examination for Zo9 Walk 2024 inside a day-to-day time period really made sense of underneath, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value decline of 0.9% coming to $3,917.